All right, sorry about that, but we are ready to go. So we got Explosion Football sold out. It will be breaking right now. As we go through the break, I'll tally off to see what team gets a card. If you do not get a card in this break, you will be entered in a randomizer for this card at the end of the break. Gem and 10, Silver Intros, Anthony Richardson for the Colts. Explosion Basketball is next. I believe that card is a Gem and 10 Tyrese Halliburton Fractal. Sick card there, too. We have our random blue chips featuring a Chet downtown on campus Trevor Lawrence and a Gem and 10 Shohei Ohtani. All rookies, too. That is at 9 spots. Should be filling tonight. But right now, let's get some gas, baby. Good luck. This is Explosion Football number 2. This break is sold out. It's rolling for the names, rolling for the teams. Good luck to all of yous. 4, 1, 5 times. 5 times for the names, 5 times for the teams. Good luck, everybody. Five times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. John M. All the way down to Charles K. Five times for the teams. 5 times. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Lions. All the way down to the Panthers. I will read everybody in between the level of units for trades, and we have Explosion Football number 2 ready to go. Here we go. John M. Lions, Brian W. Steelers, Edward F. Jets, Connor W. Colts, Brian W. Eagles and the Browns, David M. Vikes, John C. Chargers, David M. Falcons, John C. Dolphins, Anthony S. Patriots, John C. Raiders, John M. Commanders, Perfecto C. Jaguars, John A. Titans, Perfecto C. Cowboys, Kevin H. Rams, Chris P. Bears, Edward F. Seahawks, Randy R. Niners, Perfecto C. Packers, Caesar D. Bengals, John C. Chiefs, Jared P. Giants, William S. Ravens, Anthony S. Cardinals, Ron W. Broncos, Kevin H. Bucks, Edward F. Saints, Kevin H. Texans, Christopher D. Bills, Charles K. with the Carolina Panthers. Trading block is open. Yes, sir, baby. Let's do it. Let's go get you that quarterback. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Alrighty then. Turning block is closed. Good luck. Start off with some hot packs. Get my paint up here. All right, perfect. Good luck. First up, we have Kayvon Thibodeau, number 99 for the New York Football Giants. That one's stuck. We got a T-Star Scripps rookie auto for the Tennessee Titans. Tighten up, going to John A. And beautiful card underneath, encased. Rookie on card, number 99, Desmond Ridder for the Atlanta Falcons. Dirty Bird, smack it tonight, going to David M. Star-studded Saquon Barkley. New York Football Giants, number 1099. Nice color match. And don't get lost in the sauce. $2.99, a rookie auto, Sauce Gardner for the Jets. Going to Edward F. And for the Motor City Kitties, I need you, baby. Red Select, a rookie auto, Sam Laporta. For the Detroit Lions, Detroit. Going to John M. Peel off the cover, quarterback. Number 27, Deshaun Watson for the Texans. For the Chargers, number 10. Is that a rookie auto? I don't think it. Yeah, wow. Number 10, rookie auto, Josh Palmer. Nice. Bolts. Going to John C. Nice hit. Josh Palmer to 10. And for the Baltimore Ravens, Silver Signing Day, Zay Flowers. Baltimore Ravens. Going to William S. Sheesh. Electric Edge Green, number 50 for the Bucks. Rookie auto, Rashad White. Buccaneers going to Kevin H. Powerhouse, number 99, Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. And number 10, rookie on-card auto on a flawless Brandon Cooks. Wow, that's sick. For the Saints, New Orleans Saints, going to Edward F. Nice hit. Brandon Cooks to 10 on-card rookie auto from Flawless. That is awesome. 2014, beautiful card. All right, last hot pack, then it's Fire and Gas. Quarterback. Bronze for the Niners. Number 35, Jimmy Garoppolo. Endorsements with the Green Panda 50. Ramondre Stevenson for the Patriots. You got him as him on my bench this week. Should I play him or no? I feel like he was having a decent season. And for the Chicago Bears, number 25, NFL Inc. Our contenders, Darnell Mooney, Chicago Bears. Going to Chris P. All right, let's get some fire right here, baby. Ooh, beautiful star, wide receiver. He ain't blocking nobody. It doesn't matter. He's catching it to 50. George Pickens, neon signs with the gold pen. Pittsburgh Steelers. Going to Brian W. Nice hit. Neon signs, number 50, George Pickens. And last but not least for the Motor City Kitties, number 5, Team Trademarks, Patch Auto. Auto Limited, DeAndre Swift, Motor City Kitties. Going to Detroit Lions. Where the hell we at? It's John M. First round pick out of Oregon, Quack Quack, baby, for the New England Patriots. Number 15, Christian Gonzalez. Get better, buddy. New England Patriots. Patriots going to Anthony S. Oh, sick. For the Denver Broncos. How about our rookie tie-dye? Number to 25, Javonte Williams. Broncos. Going to Brian W. Nice hit. Tie-dye rookie auto to 25 on a select. Oh, my God. Good luck. We got basketball coming up next. But first, oh my God. First up, for the Chicago Bears, number to 5, Patch Auto. DJ Moore silhouette. Bam, Chicago Bears. Going to Chris P. Beautiful card. Ooh, there's just a box right here. DJ Moore, patch auto number to 5, going to Chicago. And look at this, Mr. 1,000 yards himself. Number to 25, a rookie auto. How about a Mike Evans for the Bucks, Tampa Bay. Going to Kevin H. Wow, beautiful, beautiful box. And with the gold pen neon signs, number to 35, Sam Howell. Bam. Washington. Going to John M. Beautiful hits. And we do have our heat check at the end for the Anthony Richardson. But we're not done yet. Oh my God. Detroit Lions have a break. Rookie patch auto. Prime cuts, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Bam. Detroit. Oh my God, number to 10. Amon-Ra St. Brown, rookie patch auto to 10. Lions going to John M. Wow. Number to 15 for the Miami Dolphins quarterback. Choice materials, Dan Marino. Fins up. Going to John C. Wow. And last but not least, quarterback. Take care, brush your hair, baby. Trevor Lawrence. Bam. Leaf. Rookie auto number to 99. T-Law for the Jags. Jacksonville Jaguars. Going to Perfecto C. Oh, baby. Beautiful way to end a break. All right, real quick for the Anthony Richardson, Gem and 10. It will be 5 times. Well, that stand is way too tall. There we go. It's still too tall, but it will be 5 times. It'll be name at the top, or team at the top, I should say. All right, let me see these teams here. We got Colts, Eagles, Browns, Vikes, all right. Team at the top takes it home. Yeah, I mean, you are not wrong about that, Connor W. Let's see where he ends up. 5 times team at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times Green Bay Packers. Picking up the A-Ridge Gem in 10. Beautiful card there. Congratulations, everybody. That is the break. Here's a recap. Who stole my marker? Yes, and if you guys did not get anything like in the random, just be on the lookout. Usually we've been trying to send people at least with some graded cards, some autos, so you won't get nothing. But I know that sucks. Man, why is Sauce Gardner so sticky? Trevor Lawrence, bam! Rookie auto. But some teams go berserk in those, like the Detroit Lions tonight. Yeah, sadly, but we try to do our best to eliminate that, but it's sadly inevitable. We still try our best. Thank you all for entering that beautiful break. We got a basketball edition coming up next.